We finish up this part on our solar system talking about meteors. Okay, now actually there are three terms and I'm hoping to you can get these down. Associated with meteors, we have meteoroid, and they go in this order, meteor and meteorite. Meteoroid is in space. As it is in space, it's basically the space rock, kind of asteroid, meteoroid. Meteor is the fast event. Okay, meteor is when it streaks across the sky. I'll talk about that here in a minute. And meteorite is the rock on Earth. Rock on Earth. Okay, so here's how that works. So like I said, meteoroid is, think of asteroid, meteoroid. It's smaller than an asteroid in general, but it's material in outer space. Now, that material in outer space may or may not kind of be on a trajectory to pass into the Earth's atmosphere and land on the Earth. Now, if it does pass through the Earth's atmosphere, depending upon the size of the material and kind of how it's going through the Earth's atmosphere, it may glow, basically. And if it glows and it's nighttime, we see that as a meteor. So do you see where a meteor actually is kind of a quick event? That's as the material's falling through. If there is enough to pick up when the material has fallen through the Earth or hit the Earth, like that's enough to pick up. That's enough to pick up. Okay, we call that a meteorite. Okay, so meteorite is something that you can pick up from the Earth. Now, most meteorites are not that large. Earth picks up like I think a ton of mass each day, just because of meteorite material. So, but a lot of it's just what we call micrometeorites. So, yeah, meteoroid, meteor, and meteorite. So, the Earth actually has evidence of large impacts. So here we have the stone, the meteorite, the space rock that we can actually go up and touch. And here actually we have a crater that years ago was formed because of the impact of a meteoroid. Create a meteor, and I'm not sure if there's something to pick up that's a meteorite. So you may be familiar with this idea of a meteor shower. So meteor, remember, is kind of the falling through the Earth's atmosphere thing. Now usually, not during a meteor shower, just regular times, if you have good vision and good dark skies, you should be able to see a streak of light kind of that's created by a random sort of rogue meteorite that's falling through, meteoroid, that's falling through the atmosphere, creating a meteor, okay, every 10 minutes. Now, during a meteor shower, though, what happens is we have an overabundance of material that is actually falling through the Earth's atmosphere and creating these streaks during a meteor shower. And here's why that is. I think this is a good figure. Here we have, of course, the sun, and here is the Earth. It's all about counterclockwise. Here's the Earth orbiting the sun, okay? And you see this line right here is actually, we talked about comets just a minute ago. We said that comets, when they get close to the sun, they vaporize, and they kind of actually fall apart and create a glow while they're there, and they kind of leave a remnant of what they were, okay, kind of behind in the trail. So there's a trail of trail of a comet, and it leaves what we call comet debris. So the thing here is, as Earth intersects with the debris that's left by a comet, then we've got the opportunity, or the reality is that we basically have an abundance of rock falling through the Earth's atmosphere that was from comet debris. Comets, not there anymore, but it left its debris. And so that's actually what we call a meteor shower, created by debris that's left usually by a comet. Oops. So if we were to go ahead and take a view, like a long-term photograph, which I've tried to do, because since I'm kind of into a little bit of photography, of what a meteor shower might look like, this is actually, you can kind of see these streaks, and these are the meteors that was created during a meteor shower.